This 2027 Sunset Park RV Lite Limited 13BD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Sunset Park RV is 16 feet 2 inches in length and features TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, skylight, microwave, water heater, self-contained, LP detector, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Sunset Park RV Lite Limited 13BD is 2,370 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.